Are you tired of trying all the fancy diet and gym trainings and workouts for long hours and then you're not able to lose weight and you think that what I'm doing wrong? Then this video could be for you. You have to understand the process of calorie deficit. When I was young and I was little fluffy, I wanted to lose weight. So I tried the same process that everyone does: exercising, not eating much, cutting off all my sugar, and of course, I lost weight, but for some time, again I gained weight, and I didn't know what to do. Slowly and progressively, I learned a technique which is very long lasting and the best way a person can lose weight. It's just that they have to understand the process. The technique is called calorie deficit. You have to understand that whatever you eat, it has to be less as comparatively your daily food intake. For example, you are 76 kgs and your height is 5'2" or 5'3" something, and you eat specifically a lot of food a day, then you have to calculate your BMI and BMR. It will tell you amount of calories that is required for your daily activity. For me, it was around 1800 to 2000 calories per day. So if I eat 2000 calories per day, there will be no gain and there will be low loss, because that is the amount of energy that my body is required to function every day long. But my goal was lose weight. So what I did, I deducted or I went in deficit of 500 to 600 calories. That was normally I wanted to eat to maintain that weight. So for me 2000 was normal. So I calculated and I wanted to eat something around 1200 to 1400 per day if I want to be in calorie deficit and lose weight. So what I did, I tracked my meals. I tracked the amount of protein I'm taking, the amount of carbs, the fat. So, if you understand this technique, you can eat whatever you want. You don't have to do all the fancy diet, ketos, and all that. You have to be strictly off sugar and off all the things that you love to eat the most. And if you stay inside your calories, it will be very easy for you to lose weight. But you also have to work out a little. You have to go for walking, you have to do strength training, you can do exercises, Pilates, whatever you love. But you have to follow these together. So, being in your calorie deficit plus working out a little bit, your body will give the message that your body is eating less but spending more. So, your body will use the extra fat that is stored in your body to burn out the excess fat. And this is how slowly, steadily, but you will lose weight that will be very long lasting. And you can follow this technique for long time, because now your all cravings are satisfied, you are in calorie deficit and you're eating whatever you love but inside the calorie. The only thing is that you have to maintain the protein, carbs and fat ratio. Protein should be very high. Whatever the weight of your body is, protein must be twice it. For example, I was 72, so my protein was just double of that. That much of gram of protein I was allowed to eat. And then I have to maintain my carbs and fats. If I do that, dang it, I can lose weight very easily, and it is not a rocket science.